On June 29th, a powerful weather system called a super derecho blasted through FirstEnergy's service area, cutting a wide swath across southern Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and Maryland. With winds topping out at 90 miles an hour in some areas, more than 500,000 FirstEnergy utility customers were left without power, part of the more than 4 million in the Midwest and Mid-Atlantic regions that were affected by the storm. Teams of utility workers from across FirstEnergy were joined by contractors and crews from other utilities to begin the process of rebuilding parts of the system damaged by the windstorm. In total, nearly 6,700 linemen, hazard responders, forestry workers, contact center representatives, managers, and others worked to restore service to our customers. One of the hardest hit areas was FirstEnergy's West Virginia service territory, where more than 2/3 of Mon Power's 380,000 customers were affected. 3 125-foot-tall high-voltage transmission towers were destroyed. Crews worked around the clock to dismantle the twisted towers and assemble temporary structures to hold lines and other equipment until permanent towers can be built in the fall. Declaring a state of emergency, West Virginia Governor Tomlin toured the Mon Power service area to see the damage firsthand. States of emergency also were declared in Ohio and Maryland as a result of the storm. By July 5th, service had been restored to 90% of all customers affected. Considering the storm's widespread destruction, FirstEnergy crews were able to work quickly and, most important, safely to bring all customers back in service within 2 weeks.